Hey there, I am Russ Whitney, and I'm known in the industry as the creator of the real estate training business. And whether you're a beginner, intermediate, or advanced investor, hang in here. I got a 1-minute message that could make or save you a lot of money. Now, you know, it was my first infomercial aired way back in 1985, and I've been investing in real estate for over 40 years. And my current deals, okay, they are in the millions of dollars, right? No bragging, just is what it is. How does that help you? If you're a beginner and intermediate, you don't care about that. You want to know how. I got the answer for you. What would I do right now to amass the most amount of real estate in the least amount of time and cash flow if I lost all my money? Wouldn't that be something for you to know? I'm going to show you exactly how to do that. Now, here's how I'm going to do this. I'm going to turn this industry on its ear, and you're going to be the beneficiary. I'm going to give you or offer you my entire real estate education and training library. Over 100 video trainings done by me. Manuals, all of my manuals, home study courses. Also professionally produced 3-day trainings out in the field with students, with investors, meeting realtors, bankers, mortgage brokers. You're going to get to see all of that live and in person. Now, I want to show you how to find cash flow properties, not flip and flop this house, cash flow that you get every month. How to get your deals financed with little or no credit. Whether you have a lot of money or not, doesn't matter. And if you do, of course, that's going to be better. I want to show you how to talk with bankers. And you're going to see that live in these trainings. Real bankers. How to manage your property so you've got the cash flow coming in every month. And you know what? Years ago, the seminar business was a great way to deliver. And I invented it. You go to a free preview in your town at the local hotel. We give you some good training. Then you upgrade to $495 to $1,500 3-day, a couple of weeks later. Then the upgrade is to 10 to 50 grand. Well, that was valid 15 years ago. Today, look here. I'm talking to you. We're in my living room or in my office or in your living room. This can be delivered to you now for cents on the dollar. I've already created it all. So I have the ability to pass this on to you for cents on the dollar. Other training companies can't do that. They have big overheads. They got to fly people all over the country. They can't afford to do it. I can, and this is my way of giving back to the industry. I don't want anyone left behind because of the high cost of those who are not in today's technology. Doesn't make sense. Flipping properties, it's fun, it's sexy. That's for television. It's not how it works in the real world. And if you find yourself in a position where you can't flip, then you don't have an income. Now, I'm going to show you how to accumulate cash flow properties that pay you every month like clockwork. How to create a nest egg for you and your family. You can do this with the comfort of your own home. You don't have to travel to these high-priced seminars. I'm going to make you a tremendous offer today that's going to be almost unbelievable. Over $25,000 to $50,000 worth of training for cents on the dollar. Now, if you want to have a little bit more information on this, if you want to know how you can get this for cents on the dollar, you just click on this button below and let me continue on with you.